Yes class, today we are going to start new chapter, that is the answer sheet, and the moral of the story is learning from your mistake. Means we are human beings. So it is natural that we can perform some mistakes. But the moral is whatever mistakes we are doing in our life, we have to learn some lesson from that mistake, and we have to place that we are not going to repeat that mistake in our future. So via this story, the answer sheet, we are going to read about this lesson. There are three main characters in the story. First is Priya, a little girl who study in a school, Miss Mathur, a English teacher, and her mom. So we are going to start the story. When Miss Mathur called out the grades of the English test, Priya stood in the corner shaking with fear. She knew she had not performed well. What is this, Priya? You have scored very poorly, said the teacher. So this is a scene of classroom. Mrs. Mathur, a English teacher, who is going to distribute the grades of English class test. At that time, Priya stood in the corner and she is very much afraid because she very well know that she does not perform very well in English class test. So she stood in the corner and shaking with fear. What is this, Priya? You have scored very poorly, said her English teacher. At that time, Miss Mathur shouted at Priya and said, What is this, Priya? You have scored very poorly, means your grade is very poor. You doesn't get the good marks in English test. When Priya saw an F grade on the answer sheet, tears rolled down her eyes. When Miss Mathur gave the answer sheet to the Priya saw the grade, that is F. F grade means very much poor grade. After looking her grade, she tears rolled down her eyes, means she started crying. She doesn't accept that much poor grade in her English test. So she started crying. On her way back to home, she kept thinking how she would face her mother. How would she get the answer sheet signed from her parents? So after seeing the grade, she is very much disturbed. On the way to her home, she was thinking that how she can face their parents, how she can show the answer sheet to their parents, and how she can get the signature of their parents on the answer sheet, because her grade was very poor, very poor. So she is not ready to show that answer sheet to her parents. When she reached home, she rushed to her room and locked it. She thought how good it would be if I tear the answer sheet and hide it. Mummy will never be able to know the grades. So now she is thinking. When she reached her home, she rushed down to the room, to her room, and locked her. After locking her in her room, she was thinking that how good it would be if I tear the answer sheet. Now she is going to do some mistakes. She don't want to show the answer sheet to her parents. So she is thinking that if I am going to tear the answer sheet, mom will never able to know my grades. If she will never able to know my grades, so she doesn't going to scold me. So it is very easy. I am going to tear the sheet and I am not going to show that answer sheet to the parents. Quickly, she took out the answer sheet, tore it into pieces and hid it under the mattresses. After deciding that, she take out that answer sheet from the bag and she tear the answer sheet into several pieces and hide it under the mattress. What is mattress? Mattress. In our bed, whatever gadda we are using, that is called the mattress. So after tearing the pieces, several pieces of the answer sheet, she hide that pieces under the mattress. Now she is thinking that she is very much safe because she is not going to show the answer sheet to her parents. But that night when Priya lay down on the bed, she felt uneasy. What am I doing? She thought. She could not sleep the whole night. So if she is tearing the answer sheet, that is good. No, na, that is a mistake. So whatever mistake she has done, she don't feel very much good when she is laying down on the bed at night. She feel very much uneasy, means she is not feeling good because she has done some mistakes. So she was thinking, what am I doing? Whatever I have done in the whole day, is that a good things? That things coming in her mind, and she is not able to sleep the whole day because she very well know that whatever she done, that is not a good thing, that is her mistake. So in the morning, she woke up and took out the bits of answer sheet from under the mattress, and she pasted them on a paper and rushed to her mother. So full night she is not able to sleep. So she decided that she will learn from her mistake and solve it. So in early morning she woke up and took out all the pieces of her answer sheet from the mattress and she pasted it. She very well arranged that sheet and pasted it, and taking that answer sheet, she is going to her mother very fastly. With tear in her eyes, she hugged and her mother she hugged her mother and told her the whole story. So she took that answer sheet and she come in the front of her mother, and with teary eyes she is going to explain the whole story. She is explaining the story what yesterday she have done in the school and in her home. So her mother kissed her on the forehead and said, I am happy you accept your mistake. Work hard next time. So after listening whole story, her mother feeling very proud, and she kissed her on her forehead and said only one line, that I am very happy because you accept your mistakes. So work hard next time. So after listening the story, her mother not going to shout on her because she was happy. She said that I am happy bacha because you understand whatever mistakes you have done. So that is not remaining the mistake. So next time work hard and got good grades in your class test. From next time, Priya studied hard, and in the next class test she got an A+ grade. So in the very next class test, because Priya learned from her mistake and she studied very hard, and in her next test she got A+ grade. From F grade to now she is getting A+ grade. That is excellent, that is very good. Priya had not only accepted her mistake but also learned a lesson from it. So after this incident, Priya not only accept her mistakes, but she learned a lesson that mistakes we can do because we are a normal human beings, so we can perform some mistakes, but we have to keep in our mind that whatever mistakes we are doing on in our daily life, we have to learn from our that mistakes, and in our future we are not going to perform it again. So yes student, keep it in your mind, perform some mistakes. Okay, it is not a big problem, but don't repeat it again in your life. Thank you class.